In this question, we will calculate the arc length of a curve using definite integrals. UAE Pavilion, Calatarva's Falcon-inspired building at Expo 2020. Dubai has a unique wings representing a falcon. You're tasked with measuring each wing to find out the exact length for how much solar power it can absorb. Suppose the exterior curve of the UAE Pavilion is represented by the function f of x equal 1 over 2 radical x spans from the base at x equal to 0 to the highest at x equals 65 meters. Which of the following definite integrals represents the length of the curve so we can understand the absorption of solar power? So the main vocabulary that lets you know what type of formula you should use. In this question it has been said length of the curve. So when you see length of the curve, you know you should use the arc length formula. So first, let's get introduced to the arc length formula, which will helps us solve this question. So the arc length formula is the definite integral from a to b radical 1 plus f prime of x square dx. So a is the starting point, b is the ending point, and then we will find f prime of x and square it. The first step is to identify f of x. F of x is given. As we can see here in the question, f of x is equal 1 over 2 radical x. So we will write it as it is. So f of x equal 1 over 2 radical x. So the next step, we will identify f prime of x. So firstly, we will write the coefficient as it is, which is 1 over 2. Nextly, we'll multiply the coefficient by f prime of radical x. F prime of radical x is 1 over 2 radical x. Then we will multiply, so 1 times 1 it will stay 1, 2 times 2 will be 4, and radical x will be the same. Next, we will identify f prime of x square. So f prime of x square will equal 1 over 4 radical x square. So 1 will stay the same because 1 times 1 is 1. 4 square is 16, and with the radical the square will cancel the radical, so it will be x. Next step, we will apply the arc length formula with the answers that we got. So the arc length formula, first we will apply the start point. So in the question it has been said that spans from the base at x equals 0. So 0 is the start point, and then it has been said to the highest at x equals 65 meters, showing this is the end point, so we'll put it at b. Next, f prime of x squared is 1 over 16x. So now we have applied the arc length formula, and let's find our answer in the following choices. As we can see, the right answer is A.